Copy the link provided in the description, which gives us this page, that is install Git using either Mac or Windows machine instructions. So currently I'm using a Windows system, so let's go through these instructions for Windows. Click on this link provided where you can install Git for Windows, which is current version is 2.49. So once you hit download button, the installer will be downloaded to your local system. And once the download is completed, open the download installer, which will prompt you with a Git setup wizard. The instructions will be provided for you. Just click complete, agree, and next. And once the installation is completed, open command prompt. You can do that by searching CMD in your search box. And once the command prompt is open, basically the Git will be installed on your users folder. So here you can type Git version in order to know whether the Git was installed correctly or not. Once you hit it, you'll be able to see the version was installed and the current version which you're currently using on your local with the operating system. In the similar way, we have instructions for Mac as well, Mac users. Go to this installer, download it, and provided the instructions, just hit next and go to the terminal, type Git version. You'll be able to see the version which is currently installed. Thank you.